Hello students, already we studied about colloidal system and its phases. Okay, today I am going to discuss the classification of colloids. Colloids can be classified on the basis of three criteria. Criteria number one, physical state of dispersed phase and dispersion medium. Criteria number two, the force of interaction between dispersed phase and dispersion medium. Criterion number three, the type of particles of dispersed phase and dispersion medium. Today, let us study the classification of colloids on the basis of a physical state of dispersed phase and dispersion medium. Yes. What is meant by dispersed phase? Already studied. Dispersed phase means the phase of colloidal particles. It is just like solute in a solution. Dispersion medium means the medium in which the colloidal particles are dispersed. It is just like solvent in a solution. Okay? Please see this table. Okay. Both dispersed phase and dispersion medium are solids. Okay, solid colloidal particles dispersed in a solid dispersion medium. The type of colloidal system is solid-sol. Solid-sol, example, some colored glass, ruby stone. Okay, then both dispersed phase and dispersion medium are liquids. It is called emulsion. The best examples for emulsion: milk and cod liver oil. Then, third type, when solid colloidal particles are dispersed in a liquid dispersion medium, the type of colloid is called sol. Example: starch sol, silver sol. Then, next type, liquid colloidal particles dispersed in a solid dispersion medium. It is called gel. The examples are butter and cheese. Next type, the gas particles having the colloidal size dispersed in a solid dispersion medium. The type of colloid is called solid form. Solid form, example, foam rubber. Next, the gas colloidal particles dispersed in a liquid, it is called foam or froth. Example, soap froth. Then, solid colloidal particles dispersed in gas, the type is called aerosol of solid. Example, smoke. Then, next type, last type, the liquid colloidal particles dispersed in gas, the type is called aerosols of liquid. Example, mist, fog or cloud. Okay, please listen. Then I am going to share a simple way to remember this classification. Please listen. Both are solid. S in S. S in S. Solid, solid. Solid, solid. Then both the dispersed phase and dispersion medium are liquid. It is called emulsion. Example, milk. Milk is a colloidal system. Milk is formed by dispersing liquid fat particles in water. Yes. Then next type, solid in liquid. Okay. S in L. S in L. S in L. Okay. S in L. S in L. Just you put S in L. Just you write O between S and L. It become sol. Sol. Okay. Solid in liquid. Sol. Then liquid in solid become gel. Okay. Solid in liquid. S in L. Please write O between S and L. Then it become sol. Then liquid colloidal part. Next type. Liquid colloidal particles dispersed in a solid, it is called gel. Then if dispersed phase, the colloidal particles are gases, it is called foam or froth. But solid form is formed by dispersing gas in a solid, and foam or froth is formed by dispersing the gas colloidal particles dispersed in a liquid. And last type, if dispersion medium is gas, it is called aerosol. Okay? If dispersion medium is gas, the colloidal system is called aerosol. Aerosols are of two types. Please listen. Solid in gas. Solid colloidal particles dispersed in gas. It is called the aerosol of solid. The best example is smoke. Okay. Smoke is formed by dispersing solid colloidal particles in air. Okay. Solid colloidal particles in air. And yes, when we disperse liquid colloidal particles in gas, forms aerosol of, the type is called aerosol of liquid. Okay, the best example, mist, fog or cloud. It is formed by dispersing colloidal water droplets in air. Okay, students, my next video we will discuss the next type classification, that is classification of colloids on the basis of the interaction between dispersed phase and dispersion medium. Okay, please prepare lecture notes and study well. Okay, goodbye.